Welcome to Sanmark classes. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmark classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 16. The property of rational numbers holds good under the operation subtraction. Option A, commutative. Option B, associative. Option C, distributive. D, none of this. So here, commutative property for subtraction. So here, I will repeat this question. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmarga classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 16. The property of rational numbers holds good under the operation subtraction. Option A, commutative. B, associative. C, distributive. D, none of this. So here, commutative property for subtraction. So here, A minus B is equal to B minus A. Must be true, however, for a rational number. Okay, so this is false. For example, take 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So we'll get 1 by 4. But we take 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So this is equal to minus 1 by 4. Since this 1 by 4 is not equal to minus 1 by 4. So subtraction is not commutative. So next B. So here this B option for subtraction. So A minus B minus C. This associative property states this is equal to A minus of B minus C. So must be true. So this is also false. Okay. For example, we take 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus C is 1 by 2. So here simplify this, we'll get, so here 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Here 2 by 2 is 1 minus 1 by 2. So we'll get 1 by 2. So in this right hand side, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Here 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 2 by 2. So this is 1. So is equal to 3 by 2. So here 1 by 2 is not equal to 3 by 2. So subtraction is not associative. Here distributive property. So this property usually relates to two operations like multiplication and subtraction. Alva? So here A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Associative distributive property ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This property does not satisfy. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಿ none of these properties. So commutative, associative, also distributive properties. So ಯಾವುದು satisfy ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So correct option is D. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmarga classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 70. The whole numbers are not closed upon the operations. Option A, addition and multiplication. Option B, multiplication and subtraction. Option C, subtraction and addition. Option D, subtraction and division. So here, closure property. Okay, the whole number. So whole number ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು W ಇಂದ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. So whole number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay. So here the operations on any two numbers. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ closure property ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? Operations on any two numbers in the set always result in another number from the same set. So ಎರಡು whole number ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ add, subtract, division or multiplication ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ so ನಮಗೆ whole number ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ addition operation ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, if you add any two whole numbers, so the result is always whole numbers. For example, 2 plus 3. So is equal to ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ 5 ಅಲ್ವಾ? So the whole number are closed under addition. Multiplication. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiplication ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, if you multiply any two whole numbers, the result is always a whole number. Okay. So for example, 2 into 3. So this is equal to 6. So whole number are closed under multiplication. So subtraction. If you subtract a large whole number from a small one, okay, so the result is negative number. Alva? So for example, 2 minus 5. So this is equal to minus 3. So which is not a whole number. Alva? So thus whole number are not closed under subtraction. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಯಾವುದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. So here if you divide two whole number, the result might be fraction or decimal. For example, take 2 by 5. So we'll get 0.4. So which is not a whole number. Also division by 0. Divide by 0 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ which is undefined ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So thus whole number are not closed under division ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ the whole number are not closed upon the operations ಯಾವ್ದಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ? Subtraction and division. Okay. So D is the correct option. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmarga classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 18. The integers are not closed upon the operation. Option A, addition. B, multiplication. C, division. D, subtraction. Okay, so here closure. So closure property, which states that an operations of any two numbers or two elements of a set always result in another element of the same set. Okay. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ರಿಸಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಕ್ಲೋಜರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ adding two integers always result in another integers. For example, 2 plus 3. So we'll get 5. So this is closed under this operation. So next we take subtraction. Subtracting two integers always result in another integers. For example, 5 minus 8 we will get minus 3. So this is closed under subtraction, which satisfies. So next, multiplication. So multiplying two integers always result in another integer. For example, 4 into 3. So this is equal to 12. So this is closed under multiplication. But in division, we dividing two integers does not always result in an integers. For example, 1 by 2. So this is equal to 0.5. Here 0.5 is not an integer. Okay. So this is not closed under this operations. So therefore, these integers are not closed under this operation division. Okay. So in the given option C, division is the correct answer. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmarga classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 18. The integers are not closed upon the operation. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarg classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 90. The rational numbers are not closed upon the operation. Option A, addition. B, subtraction. C, division. D, multiplication. So here, closure property. So here, operations on any two numbers in the set always result in a number that is also in that same set. Okay. So here, for the set of rational numbers, here addition. So first operation, addition. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ sum of any two rational number. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರಿನ ಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಸ್ ದಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎನಿ ಟೂ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಎ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ. So a minus b which belongs to rational number ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So one second. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarg classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 19. The rational numbers are not closed upon the operation. Option A, addition. B, subtraction. C, division. D, multiplication. Okay. So here, a set of number is said to be closed under a specific mathematical operations. So here operations on any two numbers in this set always result in a number that is also in that set only. Okay. So here the rational number q. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಎರಡು ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರಿನ ಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅದರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಿ. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಟು rational number is always a rational number. Okay. So subtraction. So second one, subtraction. So the difference between any two rational number is always a rational number ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So if you take multiplication of these two numbers, okay, so the product of any two rational number is always a rational number ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. But in division, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ division ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ so this is not closed for rational number because ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ number 0 ಇದೆ. Okay, so while dividing most rational numbers result in another rational number. So ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಮ್ rational number ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ 0. ಸೊ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು 0 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 0 by 1. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅನ್ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್. ಸೊ 2 by 0. ಸೊ ಇದೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅನ್ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ 0 is a rational number and you cannot divide by it. So the property does not holds for every case in the set. So therefore, this A divided by B is not equal to this rational number Q. If this B is equal to 0 arbitrary. Okay. So the rational number are not closed upon the operation division. So the correct option is C. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 20. The sum of any two rational number is option A, whole numbers, option B, integers, option C, irrational numbers, option D, natural numbers. So here, sum of any two rational numbers. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರಿನ ಸಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟೇಕ್ 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Two rational number. So this is equal to this LCM is 6. So here 3 plus 2. So is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5 by 6, which is a rational number. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, sum of two rational number is always a rational number. Okay. So in the given option, C is the correct one. Okay. So sum of any two rational number is always a rational numbers. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmargha classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 21. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3. The property of rational numbers used here is option A, closure property, option B, commutative property, option C, associative property, option D, identity property. So here the given equation. So here demonstrate the general rule. So here 2 by 3. So A plus B is equal to ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ B plus A ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ A plus B is equal to B plus A. ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ in which two numbers are added or multiplied. So does not change the result. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಮತ್ತು B ನ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವುಗಳ ಸಮ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ here 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. So here LCM is 15. So here 5 3s are 5, 10 plus 5 3s are 12. So this is 22 divided by 15. So right hand side 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3. So 15 in the numerator, 5 3s are 12 plus 3 5s are 5 2s are 10. So this is equal to 22 divided by 15. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಮತ್ತು B ನ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವುಗಳ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmargha classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 22. 1 by 2 into in bracket 3 by 2 into minus 5 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 into minus 5 by 3. So the property of rational numbers used here is option A, identity property, option B, commutative property, option C, associative property, option D, closure property. Okay. So here the given equation. This follows the general mathematical rule. So A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Okay. So this property refers as associative property. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? So this property states when we multiplying three or more numbers. Okay. The way in which the numbers are grouped. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ so it does not changes the final product. Okay. So ನೋಡಿ 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 into minus 5 by 3. So here 1 by 2 into multiply this numerator 5 3s are 15 plus minus minus 3 2s are 6. So here minus 15 divided by 12. Okay. So right hand side 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 into minus 5 by 3. So first to bracket allirodana simplify ಮಾಡಿ. So 3 1s are 3, 2 2s are 4 into minus 5 by 3. So 5 3s are 15 plus minus minus divided by 4 3s are 12. So minus 15 by 12 minus 15 by 12. So both are equal. Okay. So A into B into C. Here A into B into C. Okay. So this property states when you multiply three or more numbers, the way in which the numbers are grouped does not changes the final product. Okay. So this property of rational number used here is associative property. So C is the correct option. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmarga classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 23. Minus 5 by 2 into 4 by 3 into 3 by 2 is equal to 4 by 3 into 3 by 2 as a group into minus 5 by 2. So the property of rational numbers used here is option A, commutative property, option B, associative property, option C, closure property, option D, identity property. So here the given equation. So minus 5 by 2. So here minus 5 by 2. So here 4 by 3 into 3 by 2. So here 4 by 3 into 3 by 2. So take this as this whole rational number as A into this group as B. So here this is B into A. So this is the general formula. Okay. So A into B is equal to B into A. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ -5/2 ಇಂಟು 4/3 ಇಂಟು 3/2. So -5/2 into 4 threes are 12, 3 twos are 6. So this is equal to 12 fives are 60 plus minus minus 6 twos are 12. Right hand side 4/3 into 3/2 into -5/2. So 4 threes are 12, 3 twos are 6 into -5/2. So 12 fives are 60 plus minus minus 6 twos are 12. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ A, B. So B into A. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ two terms ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು swipe ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Okay. So these two terms are swapped across the equal signs. So ಇದೇನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. So this commutative property state that changing the order of the number being multiplied, so does not change the result. So ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ದಿ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmark classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 24. Write the additive identity for rational numbers. Okay, so here when you use it in a specific operations like addition, so does not changes the value of original number. So here we use 0 for any rational number a plus 0. Okay, so you adding the 0 to any number, so any rational number, so results in a same number. So 0 is called a additive identity. Okay, so this property holds true for rational number, integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. Okay, so the additive identity for rational numbers is 0. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmarga classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 25. Write the multiplicative identity for rational numbers. So here multiplicative identity for rational number is 1. Okay. So here multiplicative identity is a number that when you multiply it by any other number, so result in the same number. Okay. So this property shows here a into 1. So this is equal to a. So for any rational number a, you multiply it by 1. So the value remains unchanged. For example, you take a rational number 3 by 4. So multiply with the identity 1. So we'll get same number 3 by 4. Okay. So the multiplicative identity for a rational number is 1. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmarga classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 26. Minus 13 is not a whole number. Give a reason. So here the set of whole numbers do not have negative numbers. ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ whole numbers ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ? The set of whole numbers ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Okay. So this whole number does not have negative numbers. It only includes 0 and positive integers. Okay. So here minus 30 is not whole number. Okay. So this it classified as an integer. Okay. And a rational number. Alba. So minus 13 by 1. So this is rational number. And minus 13 integers na group alli baratte. Okay. So hagagi ಇದೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmarga classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 27. Define a rational number. So here we define rational number as a rational number is a number that can be expressed in the form of p by q. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ p by q ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ q ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ 0 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಏನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಹಾಗೆ ಪಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 28. Write the number -2 and 4 in the form P by Q. Okay, to express this -2 in the form of P by Q. So -2. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು -2/1 ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ -4/2. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 1s are 2 2s are, ಸೊ -2 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ p is -4, q is 2, ಅಥವಾ p is -2, q is 1. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು p by q ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು 8/2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಹಿಯರ್ p is 8 and q is 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ 4/1 ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆಫ್ p by q in terms, so -2 and 4 in terms of p by q. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 29. Find the value of 5 minus of -3 and -3 minus 5. Okay, so here first one, 5 minus of -3. When you subtract negative number, so it is equivalent to adding the positive version of that number. So in other words, so here minus minus, so becomes plus. So this is equal to 5 plus 3. So is equal to 8. Okay. So next evaluate -3 minus 5. When you subtract a number from a negative number, so you move further in the negative direction on the number line. Alva? So you can think of this as an adding ಟೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -3 -5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, -8. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 5 -3 is +8 and value of -3 -5 is equal to -8. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmargaha classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 30. What is negative number? Okay. So here, additive inverse of any number is called negative of a number ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. Okay. So this is additive inverse of positive number. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ, ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 31. Find the product of -2/3 into 4/5. So here you just simply multiply the numerators together and the denominator together. So find the product. So here -2 into 4. 8. So plus minus minus divided by 5 threes are 15. Okay. So here this is equal to the product of -2/3 into 4/5. So this is equal to -8/15. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmarga classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 32. Write the additive inverse of 2 into 5 by 4. Okay, so this is mixed fraction. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ improper fraction ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. So here I will repeat the question. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmarga classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 32. Write the additive inverse of 2 into 5 by 4. So this is mixed fraction. Write this into improper fraction. So we'll get 4 2s are 8, 13 divided by 4. Okay. So, or ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸೊ 2 into this 5 by 4. So 2 5 by 4. So ಈ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೊ ಇದರ ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೊ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅದೇ ನಂಬರಿನ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ -2 5 by 4. So number with the opposite sign. So that sum is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ the additive inverse of this fraction is -2 to 5 by 4. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmarga classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 33. Write the multiplicative inverse of -4 whole number plus 3 by 8. So this is mixed fraction. So convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay. So here this whole number -4 plus 3 by 8. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 8 4s are 32 minus 32 plus 3 minus 35 divided by 8. So find the multiplicative inverse of this fraction. So here multiplicative inverse of a number is the value that when we multiplied by the original number result in 1. So ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So just simply you flip the fraction. Okay, swap the numerator and the denominator. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 8 by -35. So this is will get 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiplicative inverse of this fraction is -8 by 35. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmargaha classes. In the rational number chapter, look at the question number 34. The product of two rational numbers is minus 8. If one of the new number is minus 10, find the other. So here, product of two number. Okay. So product of two number is minus 8. So one number is minus 10. So find the other number. So let us take this unknown number x. Okay, so according to the problem, so here product of the number. Okay, so product of these two numbers ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 10 into x is equal to ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ minus 8. So ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ equation ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So we solve for x. Okay, so to find x, divide both sides of the equation by minus 10. So we'll get x is equal to minus 8 by minus 10. So x is equal to minus minus plus. So 8 by 10. So x is equal to 2 4s are 2 5s are. So x is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0.8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ the product of two rational number is minus 8 if one of the number is minus 10 ಆದ್ರೆ other number is 4 by 5 or 0.8. Okay, thank you.